Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is April 6th. Giving a quick market recap. Today was definitely a very bearish day. Continuation from yesterday. Obviously, with the inflation, you got Fed meeting today, and they're talking about raising rates, which was obvious that was going to be happening, and that definitely sent the market into a downward spiral. You saw the Nasdaq down as much as 3% on the day, which drove down a lot of the big names. You got Apple, Tesla, AMD, Nvidia. All the big boys were all getting hammered today. Um, Okay, so in terms of my holdings on the day, I had Cassava Sciences overnight. Ended up selling for a profit before the market took a massive dump on the open, and now I'm currently focused on my one holding of Fubo. Um, I'm overall very bullish on this name. You got over 40% institutional ownership, which definitely assisted in dropping the price down to where it is right now, due to shorting and obviously taking advantage of market weakness and whatnot. And obviously, just the big buyers are doing this too. So for me, I have 3,000 shares at like a 625 average, right around that range, and I'm okay with that. I'm holding. I bought more when it went down to as much as 605 was the low on the day. I bought around 606, 607, so I almost bought the bottom. I really wasn't concerned too much. Obviously, like I'm not being biased on what I believe the market will be like tomorrow because I'm in a long position. Just being honest, I do believe the market will rebound tomorrow off of two massive red days. It was kind of an inevitable thing to happen, for these red days to happen, because the market was rallying for how many days? It wasn't rallying for a lot of days, but it was rallying for quite a bit of time. And with all that's going on with inflation, with Russia, Ukraine, with everything going on, it's obviously an inevitable thing that the market will downtrend and correct itself. Um, but yeah, in terms of plays that I've been looking at today, it's been a limited list. I've been keeping track of my watch list, the big names and whatnot, and obviously a lot of penny plays. I love penny plays. Penny plays are a great, especially bottom penny plays that do see a lot of movement. I try to hop on those as much as I can if they pop up on my screeners and the entry makes sense. I definitely always try to capitalize on those. There's been a lot of opportunities for pennies, which is massive because just these small cent moves are just as big as $1 or $2 moves in like big names. So obviously super lucrative as long as you're able to get a good average. But anyways, back to Fubo. Yeah, like I said, institutional ownership. You're at a $6.20 price right now in the aftermarket, and it's held up pretty well. It trended back upwards. The market, like I said, was as Nasdaq was down as much as 3%. Um, and we had a little bit of a bullish reversal, and then it went back red. But I really do see the market opening tomorrow green, and a lot of these plays are going to be recovering. So if you took any longs today, I would not question you. It's a smart decision in my opinion. But anything can happen. Market has been very volatile. It has definitely acted in illogical ways. Hedges and whatnot have taken advantage of that. Um, a lot of times I'll see, the market and everything is looking solid, and then market opens, and then bam, the market takes a dump. It's very unpredictable. Just make sure you protect yourself, protect your investment, stop losses, all that good stuff. And that's basically all I have for today. Like I said, if you guys ever have any questions of plays you want me to look at specifically, I definitely will give you my insight on them, my analysis, chart analysis, and deep dive research on them. I don't mind doing that. I'm here for you guys. Here to make these videos for you, and I've only been investing and trading for the past 2.5 years, and it's been in terms of consistently, it's 2.5 years. But I mean, I have been in the game for like 4 or 5 years, something like that. But I mean, it's been a wild ride. It's been a lot of fun, and I definitely will help you guys out with whatever you need. Any of you guys that have any type of questions and whatnot, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll get back to you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have on the day. I definitely see a market uptrend tomorrow. Keep an eye on Fubo. This is the one play that I'm taking into tomorrow, and let's see some green, guys. All right, peace.